The new player, a powerful gang leader named Lady Vixen, began to make her move. She was cunning and ruthless, and King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja knew that they would have to be careful. With cunning finesse, Lady Vixen orchestrated her rise to power, leaving a trail of chaos in her wake. Unbeknownst to her rivals, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja had their own plans determined to thwart her ambitions. As Lady Vixen surveyed her territory, she felt the thrill of power coursing through her veins. Meanwhile, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja plotted their next move, knowing that the stakes had never been higher. With each confrontation, Lady Vixen solidified her reputation as a force to be reckoned with, leaving her rivals trembling. In response, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja realized that unity was their only hope for survival against her ruthless ambition. Celebration erupted around Lady Vixen as her influence expanded, each victory fueling her ambition. Meanwhile, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja knew time was running out, and they had to act decisively to reclaim control. With the city at her feet, Lady Vixen captivated her followers, each word solidifying her power. Yet King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja remained relentless, ready to exploit her weaknesses and turn the tide of this fierce battle for dominance. The air thickened with anticipation as Lady Vixen faced her adversaries, each refusing to back down from this escalating war. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja steeled themselves for the showdown, knowing victory would demand everything they had. The battle erupted with intensity, each side fighting desperately for control as Lady Vixen unleashed her fury. King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja pressed forward, fueled by determination to reclaim their territory and prove their dominance. As the rain poured down, Lady Vixen embodied fierce resolve, rallying her followers for a decisive strike. Meanwhile, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja demonstrated unbreakable camaraderie, knowing that only together could they overcome this formidable foe. The air shimmered with tension as Lady Vixen and King Cartel confronted each other, both aware that this moment held the power to alter the fate of the city. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja launched into action, confident that his strategic insights could tip the scales in their favor. In a pivotal moment, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja united their strengths for a bold maneuver, fully aware that their success hinged on this choice. Meanwhile, Lady Vixen faced the unexpected challenge, her mind racing as she processed the implications of the chaos unraveling around her. With each explosive shockwave, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja unleashed their bold tactics, transforming the odds in their favor. Lady Vixen, though momentarily taken aback, quickly rallied her forces, ready to reclaim her control amidst the turmoil. In the aftermath of their explosive tactics, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja felt a surge of confidence, yet the fight was far from over. Lady Vixen, undeterred and resolute, prepared her gang for a decisive counterattack, her spirit unyielding in the face of adversity. With a battle cry that echoed through the chaos, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja launched themselves into the fray, determined to end the confrontation decisively. Lady Vixen, unwavering in her resolve, prepared her gang for a fierce defense, ready to fight for her reign. The battlefield erupted into a clash of wills as King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja fought valiantly against Lady Vixen's gang, demonstrating incredible teamwork and skill. Meanwhile, Lady Vixen proved to be a formidable opponent, her agility and strength shining through as she took on multiple attackers with unwavering confidence. As King Cartel soared through the fray with a show of strength, the tide seemed to shift in favor of his side, empowering his allies to follow suit. Lady Vixen, however, stood resolute, her skillful maneuvers allowing her to counter every strike, embodying her reputation as a fierce leader. The battle reached its zenith as King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja pressed forward, determined to bring an end to the confrontation once and for all. Yet with the heart of a warrior, Lady Vixen refused to back down, ready to fight with every ounce of strength she possessed in a final stand. With a surge of energy, King Cartel and Mr. Majestic Ninja executed a flawlessly synchronized attack, overcoming the formidable Lady Vixen. In response, she summoned every ounce of her strength, determined to fight back in a last-ditch effort to turn the tide. With a triumphant roar, King Cartel emerged as the victor, his victory symbolizing hope for the city, alongside Mr. Majestic Ninja, who stood proud beside him. The citizens, filled with gratitude, joined together to celebrate their newfound peace, their cheers echoing through the streets. As the crowd gathered, King Cartel spoke passionately about the importance of unity, and resilience in rebuilding their community. Mr. Majestic Ninja nodded in support, reinforcing their shared commitment to safeguard the city from any future threats. In the days that followed, King Cartel became a symbol of hope, engaging with the community and inspiring the next generation. Meanwhile, Mr. Majestic Ninja dedicated himself to training local youths, instilling in them the skills and confidence to protect their own.